I removed the exhaust from the passenger side and I found a couple leaks so far. See right here, we had some exhaust escaping from that cylinder right at the bottom there. Right here, we can see what looks to be a cracked weld on that V-band there. So I'm gonna have to re-weld that. That looks like maybe a pinhole right there. And also here, a little bit right here. I'm not totally sure if my V-bands were leaking or not, but the gaskets that I put in when I took them apart, they went a bit crispy, so I'll have to replace that. The funny thing is the homemade turbo flange that I welded 2 pieces of quarter plate together and then ground down with an angle grinder doesn't leak at all. That is hilarious. Everybody said it was going to leak like basket, but nothing. Now I just got to take my wastegates apart, check them out. Oh goody, another cracked weld. I hate stainless. To be honest, I may scrap this entire thing and go with mild steel and regular Chev truck manifolds.